DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Edition Quadcopter CP, PT.00000018.01 32GB microSD HC card Deluxe Cleaning Kit Card Reader Fiber Cloth Bundle Size, Obsidian Pro, Color, Standard Bundle. DJI has announced its new Mavic Pro Platinum and Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Quadcopters, featuring refinements that, for many, will be the cherry on top of the popular predecessor models. When the original Mavic Pro came out, many turned to it for its compact design and advanced features. Well, the new Mavic Pro Platinum retains these aspects, and adds an extended 30-minute flight time and 60% aircraft noise reduction, making it DJI's most portable and quietest drone yet. The longer distance is achieved by new FOCESC drivers with sinusoidal current, and the noise reduction by new, aerodynamic design, 8,331 propellers that cut noise by up to 4 decibels during takeoff and landing. As with the previous Mavic Pro, you can maximize accessories out of the gate, thanks to the Fly More combo. Product highlights: 120 MPC MOS sensor, electroplated magnesium gimbal stabilized 4K 60, 20 MP imaging, 4 directions of obstacle avoidance, top speed of 45 miles per hour in sport mode, maximum control range of 4.3 miles, visual tracking of moving subject, tap fly with a tap of the finger, distinctive matte gray obsidian finish, up to 30 minutes flying timer. Bundle contains 1 DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian Edition Quadcopter, 1 to 32GB USI microSD HC memory card, class 10, 1 lens cleaning solution, 1 blower brush, 1 microfiber cloth, 1 lens tissue paper, 1 to 5% cotton swabs, 1 SD USB card reader, 1 microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.